Hi everybody and welcome to NASA's Eyes on Exoplanets. This is going to be a short tutorial showing you how to use this awesome program. What we're looking at right here is called the Milky Way galaxy. It's our home galaxy and it has about 300 billion stars. And one of those stars you're probably pretty familiar with. We call it the Sun. And here are a few of the planets that orbit the Sun. Venus, Mars, Mercury, and the planet we're sitting on right now, Earth. But what about other stars? Do they have planets too? The answer is yes, and we call them exoplanets. Every yellow label you see in Eyes on Exoplanets corresponds to a star where astronomers have discovered one or more exoplanets. So let's go over the controls. To move the field of view around, just click and drag. To zoom in or out, you can use your mouse scroll wheel, or you can use the zoom slider at the right-hand side of the screen. And to visit any of the stars that you see here, all you have to do is click on the name. And I'm going to go to Kepler 11 because it's one of my favorites. This particular star has 6 planets orbiting it, which is a lot. And what's awesome about these planets, if I click on the Compare with Our Solar System button, is that 5 of them orbit within the space between Mercury and our Sun, which is crazy. That's really close together, a very tight solar system. So how long would it take to travel to the solar system? Just click on the How Long to Travel Here button. And you can pick your mode of transport. I'm going to pick a jet. It would take me 2 billion years traveling 600 miles per hour, so I guess I better get my tickets now. To go back to the Planetary System view, just click on Planetary System View. And to visit any of the planets, just click on its name. I'm going to go to Kepler 11c. Keep in mind that this is just an artist's representation of what the planet might look like. This isn't what it actually looks like. To find out more about the planet, read the box to the left-hand side here or click on the planet and it'll tell you what kind of planet it is. To go back to the Planetary System View, again, just hit the Planetary System View button and you can go check out some of Kepler 11's other planets. And to go back to the main view, just click on the Home button and you'll zoom all the way back out and you can pick another cool star to go to. That's the basics of how to get around in Eyes on Exoplanets. To find out more, check out some of our other tutorials.